start the celebrations of 1930, which is the first anniversary. We were operational last year and we've successfully completed 1 year. We have brought a big change to the Vasco city and the people of Vasco. Major activities is Duathlon, which is a riding, climbing and basically cycling activity for children. That's going to be on the 21st early in the morning for children below 18, 15 and 12 years. We then have a musical concert, which is basically a Canadian artist playing on the santoor in the evening along with an Indian tabla artist. So they will be having like a fusion concert for us in the evening. So that's open to all. And on Sunday we are having an anniversary mela right outside our property, where we're going to have different kinds of stalls as well as craft activity for children in the mall in the morning from 10 to 1. And then evening we'll be having freestyle music for all people to participate.
Is there any registration formality?
Yes, there are registrations, there are contact numbers given. So the Duathlon activity, there are registration procedure that has to be followed. Also there are tickets for the evening program. The anniversary mela is open for everybody and the rest of the program is also open for all. Call for all the people in Goa to be a part of these celebrations. There are fun-filled activities that we have planned for all kind of age groups. Children, families, adults, and it is spread over 2 days, wherein we are going to have sporting activities on the 21st, a musical concert in the evening. We are going to have an anniversary mela. We are going to have kids participating in craft activities plus freestyle music. So we are inviting all the people of Goa to be a part of us and celebrate the first anniversary of 1930.